For those who may be new to the concept, what is cognitive banking?
Cognitive banking is all about our vision of democratizing financial wellness for all people worldwide. And if you think about it, the AI-powered cognitive banking is probably the only way to address the challenge that financial institutions nowadays have with the disconnect between them and their customers. And cognitive banking is bringing all of that human touch back in a digital manner, using AI to basically understand the full financial profile of an individual, understand what's meaningful, what's useful for the customer, and then identifying their needs, current needs, and predicting their future needs, and with that, giving them the advice they need in order to make the next best choice. And that's when engagement is rising. And out of 150 million people that get the Personetics experience on a daily basis via the over 100 banks that we serve, the average rate that they give this type of experience is 4.6 out of 5.
Tell us about Primacy Edge.
Primacy is probably top of mind for all financial institutions. What we're doing with Primacy Edge follows the exact same cognitive banking approach. We analyze the customer's transactions, but here we try to understand via the transactions, what is that customer doing elsewhere? It's unique, it's one of a kind, because the ability to analytically identify what you're doing elsewhere was not there before. And this is without having an open banking data. You don't have to have that for us to identify what this specific customer is doing elsewhere.
AI has really become central to the transformation, the evolution of financial services as an entire industry. What is Personetics' AI strategy, and how are you helping financial institutions use data more effectively, more intelligently to deliver better experiences?
So our role is to actually take all of the AI capabilities and embed them within the existing processes, within the existing guardrails that we offer to our banks, so it's safer for the banks to consume. Now, what we have done is we're the first to market in our business with an MCP server, which basically gives the bank an agentic interface on top of everything that we do, all of our smarts, via agents that the bank is creating. And that's foundational for the bank to build agentic applications. So, in short, it's foundational to what we do, and it's our role to provide this to the bank in the same safe, compliant manner that we've done, the cognitive banking for many years.
What's next?
The world is becoming a much open world, and we have always been an open platform for our customers, for our banks, meaning not only are we providing the platform, the foundation, the orchestration, and then hundreds of pieces of insights that we provide out of the box, we're also enabling the banks to create their own content easily with no-code tools. Now with Gen AI, they now can co-innovate, and that's a very important term for us, because financial institutions have their own IP, have their own ideas of what they want to do, and they don't want to wait for a vendor or a system integrator to do it for them. So keeping an open platform for the banks, and also for the bank's ecosystem, for their partners, to build on top of our platform. That's one thing that's key for our future and for our partner banks' future. The next step for us is to be an enterprise asset, to actually share the insights and the smarts that has been generated by the cognitive banking platform into other areas of the bank, whether it's the bankers at the branch, or the call center, or the executive that need to make decisions for the future. So basically, making the cognitive banking approach into an enterprise asset across all the different touch points within the bank.
Very good. Well, Udi, it's been a pleasure speaking with you today. Thank you for all your insights.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.